What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the GPT Creator Club before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the GPT Creator Club works. What is a GPT Creator Club? Unlike other digital product creation programs that leave you struggling with complex tech and guesswork, the GPT Creator Club provides a clear, organized system to help you develop high-powered digital products with minimal effort. You'll receive fully built, monthly GPTs with white label rights, plus marketing assets to sell under your own brand. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, this program is perfect for anyone looking to create and sell innovative digital products in the USA while scaling their business with ease. The GPT Creator Club has already helped countless entrepreneurs accelerate their product creation, monetization, and business growth. With just a few hours of work per month, you can begin creating, selling, and scaling your digital products. This program emphasizes automation and consistency, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition while building a sustainable business. How does the GPT Creator Club work? Simplicity meets effectiveness. The GPT Creator Club helps you effortlessly launch and sell custom GPTs without needing any technical skills. Every month, you'll receive pre-built GPTs along with marketing materials designed to help you generate income with minimal effort. Effortless product creation. Upon becoming a member, you'll get fully built GPTs that are ready to be rebranded, marketed, and sold. Forget about spending countless hours learning complicated programming or AI prompts. With just a few clicks, you'll have a custom product ready to go live in the market. Support at every step, the GPT Creator Club provides ongoing support, ensuring you're never alone in your journey. Whether you need help customizing a GPT or creating effective marketing campaigns, our dedicated team is always here to guide you. Convenience and flexibility. With the GPT Creator Club, you don't have to stress about tight schedules. Each month, you'll receive fresh GPTs and marketing assets directly to your inbox, allowing you to work at your own pace without needing to juggle multiple tools or platforms. Easy path to digital business success. No experience? No problem. The GPT Creator Club provides a simple, low-effort way to create and sell high-powered digital products. Whether you're just getting started or looking to scale your existing business, this program offers a clear path to success.